This is actually very closely related to learning target 7.4. When I see an equation like this, I know this parabola is going to open up because the coefficient of x squared is positive. So I already know this has to be 1, 3, or 4. Because it is an intercept form, I know it's going to cross the x-axis at positive 2 and at positive 4. So I'm looking for a parabola that opens up, that crosses the x-axis at positive 2 and positive 4, and the only one that could fit that description is 3. So 3 has to be A, and my reason is opens up, x-intercepts at x equals 2 and x equals 4. And they want this point. Well, if it crosses at 2 and 4, that's got to be 4. So that would be the ordered pair where x is 4 and y is 0. I look at this one and I say, and again, I had fixed these on the test. Boy, I can't tell where that crosses the x-axis. I know it opens up, so it has to be 1 or 4 because I've already used 3. But when it was in this form, we said, you know, if we put 0 in for x, we can find the y-intercept really easily. Because this part becomes 0, it crosses the y-axis at negative 48. So opens up, crosses the y-axis at negative 48, that's got to be this one. It's the only one that opens up and crosses the y-axis at a negative value. So 4 matches with B, again, opens up, y-intercept at y equals negative 48. So that point has to be where y is negative 48 and x is 0. Well, I really ought, this one opens up and this one opens down, so it narrows it down. But if I was doing these from scratch, this one opens up and it's in vertex form. So the vertex is the point positive 6, positive 8. Opens up, vertex at positive 6, positive 8. Of all the graphs, it has to be this one. So opens up, vertex at 0.68. So that's point P is the 0.68. And the last one is the only one that opens down, so you could just write for opens down on this one, because it's the only one that fits that description. So it has to be, 2 has to match up with D. Now, they're asking me for this intercept again. If I look, this is going to cross the x-axis at negative 8 and at positive 6. So that's got to be negative 8, and that's got to be positive 6. So the point negative 8, 0 is Q.